Jamaica's Pocket Rocket has received a prestigious national award from the Jamaican government, and this is what she had to say about it. Sprinting sensation Shelly and Fraser Pryce says she hopes that her achievements will serve as an inspiration to Jamaican youths. Fraser Pryce made the remarks after being inducted into the Order of Jamaica, OJ, at today's National Honors and Awards ceremony at King's House in St. Andrew. The OJ is Jamaica's fourth highest honor and is awarded to Jamaicans of outstanding distinction. Fraser Pryce said she feels special to be honored by her country. And she had a lot more to say. Please listen to the following clip for her very short interview after receiving the award.
I'm excited and honored to have gotten the Order of Jamaica. I think for many young girls in my community especially, I'm excited for this moment for them because I'm giving them, the hope to dream and to realize that they too can accomplish great things, and being able to be in my hometown, of course, in Jamaica, and being celebrated is always an honor, and I look forward to continue to, just do my very best to continue to put Jamaica at the forefront.
And you based on the number of work you have done, please that you have justly rewarded here this morning?
Honestly, I don't know what to say with that question, but for me, I just continue to work on being the best I can be as an athlete, and also continue the work that I do off the track in my community, and that's why I do it. What comes after that is just that, it's brata, as they say, and you're really honored for that. But we really don't do it just for them getting recognition. We do it because that's who I am, and I really want to be able to continue to do well and to excel for my country, and being honored for that work is truly special, and I feel excited.
I see a number of sporting persons being honored by the government. How important that is?
I think it's important, especially I think for the athletes to know that we are appreciated, and that the hard work that we continue to do, given the limited resources that we have, and the fact that Jamaica is a small country, we continue to dominate the world, and we continue to show the world that not because we're small, not because we don't have world-class, facilities like a lot of the other countries, we are able to show up. And I think being able to be recognized for that achievement, our achievement and the work that we do is wonderful. And we are not paid by the government of Jamaica, so as again, to be celebrated is truly remarkable. It means that they care and they want to see us excel in what we do.
You emphasize on your family so much that how much your family appreciate this?
Yeah, my family is very important to me. They are my backbone, and I think I've always said that it doesn't matter what medal I have or not have. They have always treated me like, a champion and a winner, and I think that means a lot because they are the reason I continue to excel on the track and off the track, because they give me that support. And to have my husband and my son here this morning is just really, special, because they are the reason I continue to do what I do. And yeah, there are moments when I feel like it's hard or it's difficult, and they definitely cheer me up and give me the strength and support to go on.